Hi, I'm Alien Saint Hilaire, and in this short video I'm going to show you about the new MeshCommander firmware loader for AMT 11.5 and above. So, if you're familiar with AMT, I hope you are. There's a built-in website inside AMT, and you can browse to, if you don't have TLS 6992, if you have TLS 6993, with the normal web browser on the IP address of the machine, log in. In this case, I already typed in my username and password, so the browser knew it. And so this is the default AMT web page that you'll normally see that comes out of the box. So you can do a couple things like take a look at the system status, look at the event log, do limited power control, and a few other things, wireless settings, and so on. But the website is not that great and not that useful. But the nice thing with AMT 11.5 is that you can replace this website with MeshCommander. So there's a new MeshCommander firmware loader, and I'm going to bring this up here. And so basically this is the welcome page. I hit next, and then I type in the IP address of my machine. Localhost will work too. So if you want to load locally or remotely, you type the IP address or the name of the machine. Username and password. This tool will auto-detect if it's TLS or not. If it's TLS, it will just work. Otherwise, it will just figure it out. So you hit next. At this point, if it was able to contact the machine, it will give you three options: to load the standard, the advanced MeshCommander, or to remove MeshCommander if it found that there was a web page inside the firmware. So I'm going to load the standard version. Say next. It says uploading. Boom, done. And as soon as it's done, it's also giving me a link here, so I can actually close the browser and just click on the link and open the browser again. Then you say log in, type in username and password, and here you go. This is the standard version of MeshCommander. The standard version basically does everything the built-in web page has, but a little better. So user accounts, network setting, event log, storage. You can see the page here, hardware asset. But also, in addition to all the standard stuff, it also does remote desktop, so KVM, and here you can go full screen, close it, and disconnect, and so on. So really nice, much more useful, especially the KVM than the built-in web page. Now here I can go back, and instead of standard, I'll select advanced and hit next, and it's going to upload the advanced version. I'm going to hit reload here, and so the advanced version has a pile more stuff on the left, including serial overland for the terminal, wake alarm, agent presence, network settings, and a whole bunch of other things. So the page is bigger, but obviously a whole lot more features. So that's it. And by the way, the entire operation is reversible. So if I click here and at any time I go connect again, I can say remove MeshCommander from the firmware, say next, finished. And then when I'm going to re-log in here, and you see the built-in one again. So that's it. Quick demonstration of the new firmware loader for AMT 11.5 and higher for MeshCommander. Thank you.